That'll do for now. So what I missed out on the last video with this little baby is that for 149 quid, you can get something extra now. So let's have a look. Now remember, this isn't the one you're going to get with this, but if you get the full package with the batteries and all, 149 quid, and you'll get something very similar to this one. Now this isn't the model which you're going to get, but it'll be very similar. It's basically a chainsaw. Okay, the one you're going to get is very similar to this, and obviously, let's be fair, your tube's going to be that wide. Okay, and this is a little dinky one, but actually this is a more, don't get me wrong, this is a more powerful one than the one you're going to get. But bear this in mind, for 149 quid, you're getting a good deal, because you're getting this full package and you're getting a chainsaw head for it. Remember, it's not this one. I'll tell you which one you're going to be getting. So that model is the WG252E, which includes the batteries. If you go for the 0.9, there's no batteries, no charger, no nothing. It's just a base unit. Okay, now the actual chainsaw part you're going to get absolutely free is the WA0307, and you'll get that absolutely free. It's a limited period, so that's why I thought I'd come back and do another video just to let you know, if you guys go down onto their website, you can get that as a package right away now. There's also some other packages they're doing. They're doing a screwdriver set with the table. Well, that's a waste of money, because it's that's 149 quid, and yet you can pick the table up off Amazon for 99 quid. That's the worst one of them all. And I think there's another one on there, a couple of other ones, which is a strimmer with a lawnmower. If you want a lawnmower and you get a strimmer, fine, great. You know, it is what it is, by the way. And like I said in my last video, the pole hedge trimmer is very good, but it is limited. Look, like I said, you're not cutting through this stuff, all right? This stuff up here, it's too thick. And again, over here, I've got problems where it's too thick. Now, this type of thing is absolutely useless on that type of thing. And that's where you need a little chainsaw. Now, there's some other big branches up here. You're just not going to cut through them. I've hacked at some up there, and I don't mind saying I've really hacked at it. And I've had a play at this today, and you can see I've been having a bit of a hack at this, because this needs lowering down, and obviously with the chainsaw I can chainsaw through that lot and get rid of it, because obviously this part of the hedge has got to come off. Now obviously you can see how thick these are. 16 millimeters just isn't going to do it, is it? It's not going to cut it. And you can see I did that with the chainsaw. And as you come along here, like I just said to you just now, just hacking these bits off, you can see that's a hack. I'm just hacking it off. It's not really the way to do it properly. And those branches are so thick, I'm not touching it. And this is where you can see I just trim the little top off that piece at the top there. It's not too bad, but when it comes to these things, they're just a little bit too thick. 22 mil, we're struggling on that. They do the little branches, but as you can see, look, I've got a little bit of a chop there, and that's about a stretch of it. And there we go. I thought I'd give you an update on this sort of thing, because basically I thought for 149 quid, I still think it's a really good deal. And it does what it does. Remember, it is what I call more like a mediocre version of a hedge trimmer. Now, if you want a proper hedge trimmer to do that sort of hedge, you really need some which is bigger than 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter is very small. Don't get me wrong, it will cut the light stuff, but as you can see, this hedge is more like a tree. And there's some other areas I've got in the garden which basically it really needs a chainsaw and not a hedge trimmer. It's probably because it's just gone too far up. Just look at this lot. I mean, you can see it from, look at that lot. I mean, it's a lot of hedge and it's a lot of height there. And obviously I'm trimming that off so it brings it down a little bit. Anyway, my side, I couldn't give a monkey's about the other because they get a professional over there to cut the thing and everything's fine. If you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, we are going to be doing another video on that chainsaw, which I've got, which is a better quality one. And obviously, don't get me wrong, it cost a little bit more, but that is still available. And it is the other part to go with it also comes with the strimmer and also a proper tool for cutting rather big chunks of wood. But the only thing is I don't like spinning things above the top of my head. When it's designed to do a proper thing, it should be on the ground and not up in the air. You know what I'm talking about. You don't want anything spinning around your head, do you? Even with a crash helmet on and all the equipment, you really want to play safe. And we'll see you very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!